Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Tiguan Tyre. Start by ensuring safety and gathering tools, then follow clear steps to remove and replace the wheel. Position the Tiguan on firm ground, apply the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheel. Retrieve the jack, brace, and spare from the boot, and loosen the bolts slightly before lifting. Work calmly, keep hands clear of pinch points, and keep the wheel bolts nearby for quick reassembly. Place the jack carefully at the correct jacking point under the Tiguan, ensuring the saddle sits squarely against the reinforced sill. Use the wheel brace to support steady turning and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Keep clear of the vehicle while lifting and do not crawl under the car. Once raised, fully remove the loosened bolts, gently pull the wheel off, and set it aside safely on flat ground. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and catch more tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for waiting in garages or during a tire change because it reads like paper and lasts for weeks. I find it handy to keep my manual and checklists on it, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the vehicle raised, pull the wheel straight off and place it flat on the ground to secure it. Mount the spare, aligning studs and hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten in a star pattern halfway. Lower the Tiguan slowly until the tire touches the ground, then fully torque the bolts to the recommended setting. Store tools and the removed wheel properly in the boot and check tire pressure as soon as possible before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.